This is a video tour for 117 Daubney Street, Cleethorpes, on the market for £80,000, being sold with no forward chain. I have a small concreted front garden. Going into the property, you have a hallway, white walls and newly fitted dark grey carpet. Reception room 1. And reception room 2. Cream walls and newly fitted dark grey carpet. Understairs storage cupboard, very large cupboard. Going into the recently fitted kitchen with white units and brown tiles. Leading into the bathroom. Okay, your rear door. Going out into the rear garden. So that's that direction. Concreted, fenced rear garden with a shed. And back through to the reception rooms. Immediately coming to bedroom 3, which is your smallest bedroom. This also includes your boiler. You have bedroom 2, which is your second biggest bedroom. Looks out onto the back garden. Double glazed windows. Down the hallway into the quite very large main bedroom. Down onto the street below. End of video tour. Thank you.